Okay, so I have gotten my mask on. I blow dried my hair. I used just a refresher, the volume and shape spray in my hair. So I really like how it just adds a little bit of volume. And it's something that lasts very long, all day long. I don't feel like I'm always having flat hair, which is just what I normally have. And I feel like it's really shiny. So I just love my hair when I'm using the Beautycounter products. I'm going to go ahead and put my hair back because I'm going to take the mask off and show you how I do that. And I would recommend that you wear a shirt that you might not necessarily care to get some black spots on it. Doesn't mean that it won't wash out, but if you're going to wear this shirt for the whole day, I would maybe wear something you are not going to be wearing for the whole day. Just use a washcloth and get some hot water. It doesn't have to be screaming hot, but we just want to make sure that we're using the proper technique to lift and remove any dirt, debris, liquor, makeup, oil off your face. Really important to use a warm washcloth whenever you're washing your face. I use a muslin cloth in the shower when I'm using the charcoal bar. That came with my cleansing balm that I showed earlier, but I'll show it again. The cleansing balm, which I have still on my lips as a hydrating mask. So my water's kind of lukewarm. Just going to get my washcloth wet here. And then I'm just going to start taking this off. If you are just someone who doesn't like a washcloth, it's totally fine if you want to just splash water on your face. It's going to take a little bit longer to get it all off. But the mask really does dry. And I wish I showed you a little bit earlier, but maybe you can still see on my forehead the little black dots. That is pretty much it absorbing the oil directly from my pores. So this really does show you kind of evidently that if you have any clogged pores or oil sitting on your skin, that it's going to be taking it off. So just do your best job. My next kind of trick to get all these little, spots off is to go ahead and use your Nourishing Cream Cleanser. And this is something that I keep in the shower, and I'll use it every 2 to 3 days to exfoliate my skin. I'm just going to go ahead and use it now to help get it off all the little bits of the charcoal mask. And this has jojoba seeds or some kind of little bits in there. That is the exfoliation part, and it goes on like a cream. It's very subtle, but especially when you are done masking, you really want to moisturize, and this goes like right ahead and starts giving you a nice shine. Okay, so make sure you get your eyebrows. You don't want any of that mask left in your hair and your nostrils. And go ahead and use that same washcloth. Just get it, wet again with warm water and wipe away. And I like to do a double rinse. Use the other side here. And then you're just going to take a dry cloth and pat your face down. Then your face is nice and freshly cleaned. Now the next few steps is going to be toning your face. I like to put this on right after I take the mask off. So this is a facial mist, and it's a part of the collection for the number 3 balancing and charcoal set with the mask. If I haven't already shown you the mask, here's the mask. Here's the spray. And these are the full-size bottles. So usually about 3 sprays is all you really need. I love the smell of it. It pretty much puts me right into the setting of going to a spa. So I just like to let that air dry. The third part of the balancing mask, my label has worn off because the oil kind of takes off the labeling, but it's the oil part. And I'm not going to put this all over my skin because I'm going to put makeup on right afterwards. But this is something that I would do typically at nighttime, and I would end it with the oil and maybe the night cream. But I am going to put it on some of my blemish spots because it just helps throughout the day kind of correct anything that needs to be correcting there. And I've been really naughty and haven't been washing my face at night. I've been so tired and I just fall asleep wherever I'm at. So I went ahead and put that on where I want it to be. And then I'm going to go ahead and add my Nourishing Day Cream. And this has a really nice pump. It's meant to not have any leftovers in the bottle, so it's perfect. One little pump is all you need. And apply that to your face and your neck. And I am going to go ahead and put on some Nourishing Eye Cream. I, again, typically put this on at night, but since I've been skipping out on washing my face at night for the past few days, I'm going to go ahead and put that on. And always use your 4th finger. It's just I think, the least strongest finger on your hand, and it's really nice to be very sensitive and delicate to your skin around your eyes. And don't forget to apply it to your eyelids. Any little fine lines that are going to start peeking out, this will help nourish that. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and take a little break and get my makeup set up so we can continue on with what Beautycounter has launched called the Flawless in 5. So you're going to be able to do a full face makeup in as little as 5 minutes or less. So I'll show you how to do that next.